Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025. What grain and oil machinery and equipment are on the market at present?
Congratulate Mr. Sengiz Tiryakyoglu and all his valuable depart spares and after-sales services team.
Caption News on a journey in food processing technologies.
FAO's One Country One Priority Product Initiative celebrates milestones and aims for scaled implementation.
Bangladesh to introduce drone technology to assess crop losses.
Record-breaking, Basmati rice exports to rise in FY 2024.
Conveyor belt market size worth over $11.10 billion by 2036, Research Nestor.
12th edition of International Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024 was held in grand style.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2025 exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.